The tension in the neighborhood was palpable. Word of my legal preparations and community support spread quickly, stirring a mixture of admiration and fear among residents. Some neighbors approached me, offering encouragement and solidarity, while others remained silent, wary of the HOA's influence. The neighborhood, once peaceful, was now divided, each side entrenched in their own beliefs. The HOA, sensing the rising resistance, doubled down on their threats. Fines accumulated, and legal notices threatened to escalate to court. I knew I had to act fast. I reached out to more legal experts, gathering advice on how to push back effectively. I also organized a small neighborhood meeting to discuss the situation, hoping to rally more support and address concerns. The meeting was tense. Some neighbors voiced worries about repercussions, fearing HOA retaliation or even eviction. But others, emboldened by my persistence, shared their own stories of overreach. It was clear that this fight was bigger than just my fence. It was about defending the community from unchecked authority. Meanwhile, my emotional resilience was tested daily. The stress of legal battles, community pressure, and the ongoing threat to Max's happiness weighed heavily on me. I felt the weight of sleepless nights, doubts creeping in, and fears about escalating conflict. But I also recognized that I couldn't give up. I had to stay strong, for Max, for myself, and for everyone who believed in fairness. I continued documenting everything, the emails, notices, Karen's visits, and her online comments. I knew evidence would be crucial if she or the HOA decided to escalate further. I also kept in touch with legal counsel, who reassured me that I was within my rights and that persistence was key. The tension was high, but I was building a stronger case, evidence, community support, and legal backing. I knew that if I stayed organized and patient, I could turn this battle around. And so, with my documents in order and my resolve firm, I prepared for the next step, when I would confront the HOA officially and push back against her harassment once and for all.